at the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 Num, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
Thanks for joining us today! You recruits are awesome! Thanks for joining us, recruits!
Initiate green flight sequence on deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Launch, we're loading up.
Pucara-bound personnel, this is your final call to board.
Follow in, recruits, make room for everybody, please! Thank you. All the way in, away from the door, please.
Yes. Check the hydrogen.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Llegate down ready for you.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on recruits. All ships, launch! I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. I'm going to get better, Pina.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got to get them down so transport can make a jump.
They're all over us!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake them, Blue. We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming
TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Authority of the First Order. You will all exit out and head down the hallway to the right.
I really hope the guy that makes fun of you is here. He's the best.
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We We have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Votos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos sobre sus pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Road droid, you're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it's over the prison. You're afraid you're expecting lot 3.
Tower is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detect routes in level D.
There they are. Fire.
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's ready to blast us, now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped!
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Rods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffold's parking.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking that spot of the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? Got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
Doesn't sound good. That was a bad one this Irish. Is anything happening?
Lieutenant back here. You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!